Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage style country farmhouse decorating ideas. Here are some practical tips to help you create a beautiful vintage style country farmhouse decor. Embrace a neutral and soft color palette. Stick to whites, creams, beige, and soft pastels to create a warm, airy feel. Use distressed or whitewashed finishes to add an edged charm. Add subtle pops of color with vintage accessories like red or shell green accents. Mix old and new. Incorporate genuine vintage or antique pieces like old chests or wooden cabinets with modern farmhouse style furniture. Repurpose old items. Turn an antique ladder into a blanket rack or use a vintage window frame as wall decor. Use reclaimed or distressed wood. Opt for farmhouse-style dining tables, barn drawers, and shelves made from reclaimed wood. Look for furniture with a weathered finish to add rustic appeal. Add cozy and layered textiles. Use linen or cotton curtains, burlap table turners, and crocheted doilies for softness. Layer rugs. Start with a neutral fiber rug, jute or seashell, and top it with a vintage-inspired patterned rug. Incorporate farmhouse-inspired lighting. Use metal pendant lights, wooden candeliers, or lantern-style sconces for a rustic look. Choose additional bulbs to add a warm, vintage glow. Display vintage-inspired accessories. Use messengers for storage or as vases for fresh flowers. Add antique-style signs, old clocks, or distressed picture frames for character. Incorporate animal wear, iron stone dishes, or galvanized metal buckets for farmhouse authenticity. Decorate with natural elements. Bring in fresh or dried flowers like lavender, sunflowers, or cotton stems. Display potted herbs in terracotta pots or wooden crates. Use oven baskets for storage and decoration. Go for open shelving and farmhouse kitchen details. Replace upper cabinets with open wooden shelves to display vintage dishware. Install a farmhouse sink and use a wooden or butcher block countertop for warmth. Hang copper pots, iron hooks, or vintage utensils for a nostalgic touch. Add statement vintage pieces. Look for a distressed wooden buffet, an old rocking chair, or a barn style sliding door. Incorporate a vintage mirror with an ornate or chippy frame to reflect light and add charm. Keep it simple and timeless. Avoid clutter by curating pieces thoughtfully. Less is more in farmhouse decor. You stick to a classic patterns like gingham, buffalo check, or floral prints for fabrics. Furniture and materials. Mix and match furniture. Combine different vintage style pieces for a collected over time look. Use a mix of wooden, upholstered, and metal furniture to add depth. Repurpose old items. Turn an antique door into a headboard. Use an old trunk as a coffee table. Convert a weathered wooden ladder into a bookshelf or blanket holder. Decor and accessories. Use vintage glass bottles and jars. Display dried flowers, fresh blooms, or kitchen utensils in mason jars. Repurpose old milk bottles for a rustic touch. Incorporate farmhouse style baskets. Wicker and wire baskets are perfect for storage and decor. Use them to hold firewood, blankets, or fresh produce in the kitchen. Showcase vintage kitchenware. Display enamelware, cast iron skillets, and rustic wooden cutting boards. Hang copper pots or vintage utensils on the wall for a nostalgic feel. Include vintage textiles. Use old grain sacks as pillow covers. Incorporate lace table runners, crochet dolls, and taking strip fabrics. Walls and flooring. Create a feature wall with shiplap or baseboard. Whitewashed or natural wood panels instantly add farmhouse charm. Use natural and rustic flooring, white plank wood, reclaimed wood, or even old look vinyl works well. Add an antique style Persian rug or a branded jute rug for warmth. Choose farmhouse style lighting. Install old iron candelabras or pendant lights with a rustic finish. Create a wooden sign with a farmhouse quote like gather or farm fresh eggs. Use an old window frame with a hand painted saying. Thanks for watching the video.